is power in your name. Lion of Judah. In the silence, you are speaking. In the darkness, you are light. When the battle rises against me, you are standing by my side. Chains are breaking in your presence. Fear is losing all its hold. By your power I am covered. I am safe within your roar. I will not fear, I will not shake, for you are God. You make a way. Lion of Judah, you reign forever. Mighty in battle, strong deliverer, King of all glory, we lift you higher. Lion of Judah, holy fire. Lion of Judah, fight for me. Every victory is in your name. You are the power, you are the King. Forever we will sing. Every mountain has to bow now. Every stronghold must come down. At the mention of your name, Lord, heaven and earth respond. Oh, you are rising like a thunder, with authority and might. No one stands against your kingdom. You are victory, you are life. Who is this King? Lion of Judah. Lion of Judah. Lion of Judah. He never fails. He reigns forever. Yes, he reigns. Lion of Judah, you reign forever. Mighty in battle, strong deliverer, King of all glory, we lift you higher. Lion of Judah, holy fire. You have never lost a battle. You will never lose again. You have never lost a battle. You will never lose again. All authority is yours, Lord, now and forever. Oh, amen. Hey. Roar in this place. Let your power fill this space. Every chain must break today. Lion of Judah,